The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lawrence County Sheriff's Department. All clear for now. It seems that the Skinwalker went into some sort of sleep or state of hibernation due to the sunlight. It is located on the east side of the county. For safety purposes, what's left of the police force has put up barricades and are evacuating people from the east side of the county. If you are in the east side of the county, wait for the police to evacuate you to a safer location. If you are not on the east side of the county, it is safe to go outside for the rest of the day, but this emergency is still not over, as the Skinwalker is predicted to wake up from its sleep around 10 p.m. Programming is now reactivated for the rest of the day. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee State Government and the Lawrence County Sheriff's Department. The military has arrived early and has set up camp close to the east side of the county, where the Skinwalker currently resides. Please do not interfere or interrupt any military operations, as the military has been given clearance to use lethal force. There is 5 more hours until the Skinwalker wakes up from its hibernation. To prepare for this, please do the following before 10 p.m. Lock all doors and windows, gather food, water, and any other essentials you need. Lay salt at all entrances to your home, as this discourages the Skinwalker from entering your home, and bring a crucifix and Bible with you to the most interior room on the lowest level of your home. We will now resuspend programming. by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee state government and the Lawrence County Sheriff's Department. The military operation has failed, and almost all of the soldiers brought here have been killed by the Skinwalker. It also seems that the Skinwalker is invincible to all types of conventional weapons. We have no other choice but to utilize nuclear weapons. More military has arrived to help people evacuate. The nuclear weapon will be dropped in 30 minutes. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee state government and the Lawrence County Sheriff's Department. The nuclear weapon has killed the Skinwalker. I repeat, the nuclear weapon has killed the Skinwalker. Unfortunately, most of not all of Lawrence County has been destroyed, and approximately 20,000 people have died and another 7,500 people have been injured or reported missing. This is a dark day in Tennessee and U.S. history. Following this message, we will play the national anthem and have a month of mourning. That is all.